Hey, to the starboard heave-ho! Look out, Madam Mermaid, be waiting for you in mysterious fathoms below.
Isn't this great? The salty sea air, the wind blowing in your face. Perfect day to be at sea.
No, delightful. A fine strong wind and a following sea. King Triton must be in a friendly type mood.
King Triton?
Why, ruler of the Mer people, lad. Thought every good sailor knew about him.
Mer people. Eric, pay no attention to this nautical nonsense.
But it ain't nonsense, it's the truth. I'm telling you, down in the depths of the ocean, they live.
In mysterious fathoms below.
His Royal Highness King Triton! And presenting the distinguished court composer, Horatio Thelonious Ignatius Crustaceous Sebastian!
I'm really looking forward to this performance, Sebastian.
Oh, Your Majesty, this will be the finest concert I have ever conducted. Your daughters, they will be spectacular.
Yes, and especially my little Ariel.
Yes, yes. She has the most beautiful voice. If only she'd show up for rehearsals once in a while.
We are the daughters of Triton, great father who loves us and named us well. A what in her musical debut. Our second little sister, we're presenting her to you to sing us